Did you know you can build substantial wealth by investing in dividend-paying stocks? Dividends are a way for companies to distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. By investing in dividend stocks, you can enjoy two income sources: share price appreciation and regular cash payments from dividends. Let's say you invest in a stock with a 3% dividend yield. That means for every $1,000 you invest, you'll receive $30 in dividends annually. It might not seem like much, but here's where the power of compounding kicks in. Instead of pocketing those dividends, you reinvest them, buying more shares of the same stock. Over time, your dividend income and share ownership continue to grow. This compounding effect can lead to significant wealth accumulation. Many successful investors have built their fortunes through the power of dividends. So, how do you identify strong dividend stocks to invest in? Look for stable earnings companies with a long history of paying dividends and a strong dividend growth rate. You can also diversify your investments to manage risk. Remember, investing in dividend stocks requires a long-term mindset. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Patience and discipline are key. By harnessing the power of dividends and letting time work for you, your wealth can grow exponentially. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our channel for valuable insights on wealth creation and investing strategies.